Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and launching the store app. Make sure battery is above 20% and connect to stable Wi-Fi because downloads use data. Once connected, open Jio Store or the app manager on your Jio phone. If prompted, sign into your Jio account so permissions and past installs are recognized. Next, locate the app you want to update by searching or checking My Apps. This step gets you directly into the update list, ready to continue. Once you see the app, tap Update and watch the progress indicator. This tells you download versus install stages. If the phone asks for permissions, storage, install from unknown sources, allow them so the update can proceed. While downloading, avoid closing the store or rebooting. Once download completes, the installer runs automatically. Make sure to monitor notifications for errors. If multiple updates exist, queue them or update one by one to prevent conflicts. When installation finishes, proceed to finalize settings. After installation, open the app and test key features to confirm the update applied. If the app crashes or fails to open, clear the app's cache or data in settings, then try updating again from Jio Store. This often resolves corrupted downloads. Once done, restart the phone to ensure background services refresh. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the app as a last resort. Remember, restarting is a quick fix, and retrying the download addresses most transient network or storage problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.